If you've been just putting your Nintendo Switch in sleep mode, it's still using battery behind the scenes. In this video, I'll show you the right way to fully shut down your Switch, helping you save battery and keep your console in good shape over time. Let's jump right in. So as you know, sleep mode is the quickest way to give your Switch some rest and give you more playtime. But in sleep mode, the Switch stays partially powered on. This means it can still drain battery slowly even when you're not playing. Turning it off completely is better if you're not using it for a while, like overnight or when traveling. To do this, press and hold the power button on top of the console for about 3 seconds. A menu will pop up. Select power options. Now choose turn off. And that's done. Your Switch is now fully powered down and battery drain stops completely. When your Switch is fully powered off like this, you can keep most of its battery charged for weeks, sometimes even a few months, depending on how healthy and old the battery is. Many users have noticed their Switch holds a charge for a long time when completely turned off. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Nintendo tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.